In this video, I will guide you on how to enable always on display on the Redmi Note 15 Pro. This is also going to work out for the Redmi Note 15 and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus as well. First thing you want to do is to open up the settings of your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Now scroll all the way down until you find the personalization settings. Tap on that, and then just over here you should be able to find the always on display option. Tap on that as well, and then to enable always on display you just have to toggle on this button on the top right hand side. You can further customize it by tapping on the display items over here, and basically you can see it is going to be on for 10 seconds after tapping. And you can also choose whether you want always on display turned on or off when battery saver mode is enabled. Finally, if you come out of this option, there is the customization part, so you can choose the type of always on display you want. For instance, if I tap on this one over here, you can go ahead and customize it, add the colors you want, tap on apply from over here, and this becomes your always on display. So at this point, if I go ahead and close the Redmi Note 15 Pro, it should automatically enable the always on display feature. You can literally see that over here. Please let me know if this was helpful and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.